Terracotta, or terracotta Italian, baked earth, 3 from the Latin terracotta, a type of earthenware, is a clay-based unglazed or glazed ceramic, where the fired body is porous. Terracotta is the term normally used for sculpture made in earthenware, and also for various practical uses including vessels, notably flower pots, water and wastewater pipes, roofing tiles, bricks, and surface embellishment in building construction. The term is also used to refer to the natural brownish-orange color of most terracotta. Paragraph. This article covers the senses of terracotta as a medium in sculpture, as in the terracotta army and Greek terracotta figurines, and architectural decoration. East Asian and European sculpture in porcelain is not covered. Glazed architectural terracotta and its unglazed version as exterior surfaces for buildings were used in East Asia for some centuries before becoming popular in the West in the 19th century. Architectural terracotta can also refer to decorated ceramic elements such as antefixes and revetments, which made a large contribution to the appearance of temples and other buildings in the classical architecture of Europe, as well as in the ancient Near East. Paragraph. Production and properties. Terracotta is a very flexible material to sculpt. Pieces can be formed by both an additive technique, adding portions of clay to the growing pieces, or a subtractive one, carving into a solid lump with a knife or similar tool. Perhaps most common is a combination of these, building up the broad shape and then removing pieces, or adding more, to produce details. Paragraph. The most common method of production is to take an appropriate refined clay, then form it to the desired shape. Alternatively, it may be made with one or more molds. After drying, it is placed in a kiln or atop combustible material in a pit, and then fired. The typical firing temperature is around 1000 degrees Celsius 1830 degrees Fahrenheit, though it may be as low as 600 degrees Celsius 1112 degrees Fahrenheit in historic and archaeological examples. The iron content, reacting with oxygen during firing, gives the fired body a reddish color, though the overall color varies widely across shades of yellow, orange, buff, red, terracotta, pink, gray or brown. Paragraph. A final method is to carve fired bricks or other terracotta shapes. This is less common, but features, for example, in the architecture of Bengal on Hindu temples and mosques. Fired terracotta is not watertight, but surface burnishing the body before firing can decrease its porousness and a layer of glaze can make it watertight. It is suitable for use below ground to carry pressurized water, an archaic use, for garden pots or building decoration in many environments, and for oil containers, oil lamps, or ovens. Most other uses, such as for tableware, sanitary piping, or building decoration in freezing environments, require the material to be glazed. Terracotta, if uncracked, will ring if lightly struck. Paragraph. Painted, polychrome, terracotta is typically first covered with a thin coat of gesso, then painted. It has been very widely used, but the paint is only suitable for indoor positions and is much less durable than fired colors in or under a ceramic glaze. Terracotta sculpture was very rarely left in its raw fired state in the West until the 18th century.